With GitHub Copilot, you can shift your development tasks from sequential to simultaneous with the agent of your choice in Agent HQ. The Agents tab on GitHub is where you can manage all your Cloud agent sessions. From here, you can assign ad hoc tasks to Copilot, to Claude by Anthropic, to Codex, or to a custom agent. We can also use this tool to monitor our tasks, all from one centralized location on GitHub. Now, most change requests come via issues, and you can assign issues directly to an agent like Copilot, Codex, or Claude. Choose the branch you wish to use as the base, and again the agent you want, and let the agent do the rest. Inspiration can strike from anywhere, including away from your desktop. We can manage agents and even assign tasks right from GitHub Mobile. Given that developers spend the bulk of their time in an IDE, it's natural to expect to have access to the same functionality from there. In VS Code, you can orchestrate all your agent sessions, local and cloud, from your IDE. Just like before, we can assign to Claude or Codex or to Copilot using a custom agent or specified model. These tools allow you to assign and manage parallel coding agent sessions all within your existing workflow.